Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem gift card on Lazada. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Lazada, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, redeeming a gift card for Lazada, a popular online shopping platform in Southeast Asia, offers several compelling reasons because, number one, as you can see, Lazada offers a vast array of products across various categories, including electronics, fashion, home goods, beauty products, and more. Now, redeeming a Lazada gift card gives you access to a diverse selection of items that you can purchase based on your preferences and needs. Now, you can do this on your mobile device if you open the Lazada app, but if you're more comfortable using the web, just go to lazada.com. And for example, I'm gonna choose a specific item. Let me just choose the U Mobile Reload Top Up. Now, once you are here, all you have to do is you can click the add to cart or go to the buy now option, because from here, all you have to do is, do you see the payment methods here? You can add your credit or debit card. You can use the pay now transfer. But of course, this is where the magic happens. Just enter the voucher code and that's going to be your Lazada gift card. All right. For example, you receive a Lazada gift card as a present. Redeeming it allows you to choose from a wide range of products that match your interests or needs. This ensures that you get something you truly want or you can use. In my case, I'm going to use it for the U Mobile Reload Top-Up. All right. Now, if you, for example, you enter the code right here, it's going to be a series of different characters. All I have to do is click on the place order now. And what will happen is the voucher will be applied to your recent transaction. Okay? After that, all I have to do is go to the last process, which is the checkout. And there you go. You were successfully redeemed the gift card Lazada. Now, if in case you encounter a problem like the voucher code is not working, there could be a lot of reasons. Number one is your Lazada gift card could be expired, or the store that you are using does not accept the gift card on their platform. Otherwise, just go to the contact Lazada right here at the bottom. And from here, tell them you're having problems redeeming a specific gift card, but you think that is basically it's working. All right. You might not want to call these numbers. And of course, you can chat with the virtual assistant here on Lazada. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.